So you want to know how to use an AI post generator on social media to create a thought leadership post? Well, take a look and I'll show you how. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to this channel. And if you're on YouTube, check the alert notification button here. Okay, to make FlyPosts AI come alive, all you have to do is click Start a Post here on LinkedIn. Once you do that, and you come inside of here, this will now populate FlyPosts AI right inside of your status posts. Each one of these are pre-engineered with material and content inside there. When you click it, you can see that there is a predefined prompt, and all you have to do is insert the topic right inside of there. Now, for this particular demonstration, I'm going to write a topic about 5 tips for achieving President's Club. Now, when that happens, I can simply click the Enter button, or I can click the envelope here. If I want to keep reusing this and iterate on this prompt, I want to save this prompt now. So I'm going to write this post here. And now you can see FlyPosts AI is actually generating content, and you'll see inside of here that it begins to write. As it goes down, you'll see the scrolling bar move up, and you'll know that it's done once it stopped moving up. In fact, you could also follow it along and see how it's typing along. With that in mind, if I don't like this post, I can simply click Regenerate. And FlyPosts will rewrite the post all over again. Now, here's the part that comes in that you must do as an individual. Your first goal is to edit the content, and that is removing out any traces of AI, like the double stars right inside of here. You also can come inside of here and add in any emojis or hashtags that are inside of here. Now, if you actually want to see this be rewritten with emojis and hashtags, you can certainly come inside of here. And at the end here, we can say, including emojis and hashtags. And let's see what happens. Now what you see inside of here is you can see we've added hashtags. We've also added emojis to make this come to life. So we've got one inside here, President's Club. I would definitely put inside of here hashtag sales and hashtag sales tips. And of course, you could add up to at least 5 different hashtags. Remember, only 3 hashtags is where LinkedIn will actually promote your content in. And so now that we've done that, we can simply click Post. And that's it. FlyPosts AI, the AI post generator that helps you write your thought leadership and be able to be found to engage with your target audience. Hey, why not download it today at flymsg.io? Not only will you get the AI tools like the LinkedIn commenting capability and FlyPosts, but you'll also get FlyMessage and all of its AI text expander capabilities to continue helping you save 1 hour a day.